In this video, we are going to add data using forms. So let's start. In this, I have a data entry form in Excel. I have roll number, date of born, and name. I'm going to take some students and take roll number and date of born and their names. But I'm not gonna like enter like this, date of born, and etc. I'm not gonna add like this. I'm gonna add it using forms. So for using that, you firstly need to convert this into a table. Press converting it into a table shortcut is Control plus T. Now my table has headers. Yes, the roll number, date of born, name. These all are headers only. And then press OK. Now it became a table. Now click on the table and click on forms. If you are not getting a form command over here, then go to your customize quick access toolbar and click on more commands. And I'm gonna take commands that are not in the ribbon. And after that, I'm gonna find F. So this is our form. Then press add button. So it will appear over here. Then press OK. Then it will be added over here. After all, so click on this table anywhere on this table, but not outside from this table. If you are outside of this table and then press form, so it will not be applied, it will not run. Click on the table, click on the form. Now it's working. Now in the roll number, let's say give the number as 15 and date of born, let's say it's born on 5th of December in 2008 and his name is James, and I'll press enter key afterwards. Now that data is entered over here. I can close this, and if I want to add more data, I'll go to the form and then select a new, and the roll number of this student is, let's say, 89 and he's born on let's say as 1st of April on 2010 and his name is John. Now I press enter key, it's work. Now I want the students whose age is between from the 1st January 2008 to 1st January 2011, whose date is between this. So what actually I'll do, click on this table, I'll go to the data and click this data validation. Now I'll go to the settings and allow, in the allow I'll put a date. So date should be between from the 1st January 2008 and the end date should be 1st January till 2011. Now that's perfect. Now I'll click on these forms. Yes, and I'll add a new. I'll add roll number to be as 15 and date of born, let's say to be as, this time I'm going to add 12 of December on 2012. It will not work. I'll show you why it will not work. Now when I press enter key, that data validation is not working. It's now we inputted the data of 2012. I'll tell you why it's not working. I'll go to the data again and go to the data validation, and I'm going to take dates, and the dates should be from the 1st January till 2008, and I'll copy this one only, but 2011 we input this data, right? But we have not given an input message, so it is important to give an input message. So I'll write the date should be between, the date should be between the things that we have given. It should be between. I'll copy this, paste it over here, and I'll copy this one and paste it. Now I'll press OK. Now can you just see that it's showing error? Yes, I'll go to the forms. I'll open up this one, and this time when I'm pressing, let's say he's born on 2022. Now if I enter it now, press enter. So can you just see that it's showing error? So retry. Now let's give it 2015. And let's give it a name as well, Daniel. Now I'm pressing enter key. It's not taking. But at the place of 15, I write, let's say 2009. Now when I press the enter key, it entered the data. So this was for today. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching it.